Yes. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. So I thought of not having class, but today, unfortunately, we make if you are keep delaying, if you are keep postponing the class, it would happen. So I just decided to take whatever happens. So yes. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Good. What about others?
Sir, are you fine now?
Yes, yes, I'm fine, fine. Somewhat okay, fine, pretty fine. Yes. So we were in quadrilaterals lesson. Tomorrow you will be having a test on quadrilaterals. So 20 questions would be there. So prepare well and try to solve as many questions as possible. Better you would you need to solve like MCQs. Search for MCQs and solve those MCQs. You have like infinite loop of resources from internet. You could get multiple MCQs from the internet. Just Google it. You can just solve that so that you should get good marks. So that you would get good marks. All right. So make sure that you guys are performing well in your test. Hope it is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I want to say one thing.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Sir, actually, sir, as Manoj sir has mentioned that FitJ question, when you are revising that, sir, when you are going to start that?
I'm going to start. Actually, we are going to start now.
Okay, today onwards we'll start. Okay, sir.
Sir, also sir, could you please clear the doubts I sent you?
Yeah, sir. After you told half section has doubts, sir.
Mhm. Yes, half session would be doubt session. Yes, what are the doubts you guys have?
Sir, I sent the sample paper, sir. I have the doubt in question number 3 and question number 9.
Okay, from where you collected that sample paper?
Sir, exam form, the FITJ exam is tomorrow for me. So, you get the sample paper 48 hours earlier.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
that's why I just informed it a bit late.
fine, fine. So,
So mine FitJ exam is Saturday, sir. This Saturday, 16th. This Saturday, sir. Correct 1 week.
okay.
Sir, I'm facing difficulties only on lines and angles and triangles. Sir.
Yeah, that is what this geometry part you should revise it. We discussed everything. The only thing you need to revise. That's it.
Yeah, sir. But I'm facing difficulties to solve the problems. Sir. That is the problem.
Keep solve multiple questions, you will understand.
Sir, can you go through my doubts?
Yes, yes. Give me some time. Yes. So, one second. Kavya has not Kavya. Who has posted the doubt?
Sami Piyush.
Okay. So, what is the question?
So the question number 3 and
Sir, thank you, sir.
Acha, a beaker, two liquid A and B in the ratio of 3:1. Find
Sir,
how
have you
much.
shared your screen?
One second. Basically, this is a government examination question as well. So in a beaker, 2 liquid A and B we have. A and B, the ratio of 3:1. Find how much mixture should be taken out that after pouring same amount of liquid B in beaker. Here we have liquid A and B. Okay, in the ratio of 3:1. Okay, so find how much mixture should be taken out that after pouring same amount of liquid B in a beaker, the ratio becomes 1:1. How many of you understood? Look at this question. Question is what? I think. Can you please take a screenshot of that and post it in WhatsApp, Piyush?
Okay, sir.
What are the questions so that I can paste the questions here? I can't paste the entire PDF, right? That's why.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Yo, I'm not adding, I'm not recording, I'm sorry. Look at this here, the average weight of 8% increases by 2.5 kgs. So 8% increase 8%. So 8 into 2.5 kitna? 20 kgs. So when a new guy comes in the place of one of the guy who is weighting 65 kgs. So 65 plus this 20 kgs gives you what? 85. 85 kgs is your answer. Very simple.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yes, Kavya. Yes, next 12th question as well.
Yes, sir, please do it. Even I want to know the answer for this one.
Okay, look at this. What he has given. 405 sweets were distributed equally among children in such a way that the number of sweets received by each children is 20% of the total number of children. Okay. अरे यार कितना अच्छा क्वेश्चन है बहुत ही देखो भाई look at this what he has given 405 sweets we have कितना sweet 405 sweets we have distributed sweets in such a way that every child each and every child is getting 20% of 20% of the 405 is what? Look at this. मैंने बता रहा हूँ आपको एक मिनट देखो.
Well, so by 5, say 81.
81. So total कितना sweets है? 405 है. ठीक है? Total number of sweets. And I do not know that how much each child is getting here. I do not know how much each. So 20, in such a way that he received by each child is 20% of the total number of the 20% of the total number of the children, not total number of the sweets. Be careful here. You understand? Each child is getting
Yes,
20% of the total number of the children. We do not know how many children are there. Okay.
Yes, sir. We don't know.
So total children, let's say कुछ भी ले लो x मान लो. Okay. So what he has given, क्या दिया है इधर देखो 405 sweets distributed को 405 distributed कितना आदमी को दिया है out of देखो भाई out of कितना आदमी को एक स्टूडेंट को total number of students को in
Yes,
such a
sir.
way that 20% 20 by 100 20% मतलब देखो 20 by 100 ना
Yes, sir. 1/5.
20% of कितना किसको x स्टूडेंट्स को. So 1/20% of x is nothing but 20% is nothing but 1/5.
Yes,
देखो
sir.
इसको
X.
कैलकुलेट करो, बहुत सिंपल सा आसान. 1/5 x 1/5 how you are getting 20/100 guys, don't get confused. So
Sir,
देखो
can you explain this again, sir? I did not get it.
definitely. So देखो इधर देखो 405 divided by x. So 21 is 25. So 1/5 of x. तो what we need here x square. Cross multiplication criss cross करो भाई. तो 5 into 405. 405. तो x is equal to 5 into 405 कितना 2025. ऐसा नो
2025.
2025.
2025. तो
Square root.
2025 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना होता है? x वैल्यू कितना
So,
25 नहीं
Sir, 45, sir. 45 square root.
45 yes 45. तो x वैल्यू कितना मिला मुझे 45 मिला. तो इज आस्किंग फॉर व्हाट ईच चाइल्ड. देखो हाउ मेनी स्वीट्स डिड ईच चाइल्ड रिसीव. एक आदमी एक बंदा को कितना मिलेगा, दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो 405 टोटल स्वीट, टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट ये है. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ करे तो 45
Nine, sir.
145
Yeah. 9, sir.
45 कितना
9, sir. 9.
5
45,
45 9 yes 9 जा. So 9 स्वीट. तो ऑप्शन है क्या कुछ? yes 9
Yes, sir.
ऑप्शन.
9.
ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. देखो पीयूष मैंने बता रहा हूँ आपको व्हाट ही हैज गिवन हियर. ही इज आस्किंग देखो 405 स्वीट्स है कितना टोटल 405 स्वीट्स आई हैव हियर. So out of those 405 sweets, I mean total that much sweets has been distributed among the children. I do not know what is the total number of children here. So देखो 405
Yes,
कितना आदमी को दिया है? X children को दिया है. X students they have distributed 405 sweets among X number of students. So in such a way that look at this here. Each child listen to me carefully. Each child received 20% of the total number of the children. How much sweets? 405 sweets distributed to कितना एक स्टूडेंट को.
X children.
एक
Yes,
एक
sir.
स्टूडेंट कितना मिले? एक स्टूडेंट को कितना मिलेगा? 20% of the
20%.
total. 20% of the total. देखो that is what 405 sweets distributed among how many members? X members. Such a way that 20 एक स्टूडेंट को कितना मिलेगा? ऐसा like after distribution of this part, each student how much getting? 20% of total number of
X.
students. Total number of X students. Look at this here. So if you simplify this, you will get X value. X value you get. X value is nothing but what here? Total number of children. Total number of children how much? 45. Total number of children how much?
Yes, sir.
45. So he is asking for what? Each child how much getting? So 405 divided by 45 करेगा तो 9 sweets मिलेगा एक बच्चा को. ठीक है, एक स्टूडेंट को 9 sweets मिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
This Piyush, look at this here. This question, let me solve it. You also try that. Now, so far, what we conclude this. So, 1 we are removing out of 3. So, 1 we are out of 4. We are removing. So, 1 out of 4, 1 we are removing. So, कितना बचेगा? 1/3.
Sir, 1 out of 3, right?
हाँ, 1
Yeah,
out of
okay, yeah.
1 out of 3. So, you just conclude like that. If you get such kind of questions, you put a message like that. So, we'll try to solve that. I'll try to find any different methods. If I get it, let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, if there's no other problem with anybody, can I just ask one more doubt? So I just shared it.
Yes, 1 second. I think you guys have to join after this meeting. We have just left with 3 minutes. Kavya, how many questions you have?
Sir, 2 questions.
Where are they?
So, fourth one, sir.
Which question?
So, fourth one, sir, down.
Okay.
Fourth
Which
one. Math question 2. Yes, sir.
Question number which
Math
one?
question.
This
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, ho, 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 ho. कौन सा क्वेश्चन यार? अच्छा, फोर्थ वन.
It's the second and third one.
Okay. हाँ सही है ना. If the you have direct proof यार. You have direct proof. If the diagonals of a parallelogram. Let me write this question over there. मुझे थोड़ा इसको क्या करेंगे. I'll post this in second and third one, right? Kavya. Guys, everyone, please join it again. Children, everyone please join it, make it fast. Everyone join it. I have less than 1 minute. I don't know today again. Everyone join it, make it fast.